Hey there, Jira enthusiasts. If you're diving into project management with Jira, understanding how to view your backlog is essential for keeping your tasks organized and on track. In this quick guide for 2025, we'll walk through the steps to access and navigate your backlog like a pro. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned user, this will help you boost your efficiency. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Jira account. Head over to the Jira website or open your app and enter your credentials. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. That's your starting point. Next, select the project you want to work on. Jira organizes everything by projects, so click on the project name from the sidebar or use the search bar to find it quickly. This step is crucial because backlogs are project-specific. Now, once you're in the project view, look for the Backlog tab. It's usually right there in the main menu, often next to options like Board or Issues. Click on it and voila, your backlog will appear, showing all the tasks, stories, and bugs waiting to be addressed. To make things even better, Jira lets you customize your backlog view. You can filter by status, priority, or assignee. For example, use the filter dropdown to show only high-priority items or sort by due date. This is a game changer for focusing on what matters most. A quick tip: if you're using Jira Cloud or the latest version in 2025, check out the advanced features like epics and sprints integration. These can help you visualize your backlog in relation to your overall project timeline. Also, watch out for common pitfalls, like forgetting to refresh the page if changes aren't showing up. It's an easy fix. There you have it. Viewing your backlog in Jira is straightforward and powerful. By mastering this, you'll stay ahead of your tasks and keep your team aligned. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy project managing.